How to measure effectiveness of your release notes. Release notes are a way of having conversations with your users. You would want to know whether someone is listening to you or not. That's where tracking some simple metrics can help. Here are some metrics to help you measure effectiveness of your release notes. Page views tell you how many eyeballs are visiting your release notes. Time on page shows if users are sticking around or bouncing off quickly. Scroll depth lets you see how far readers go before they give up. Click-through rates show if users are following links in your release notes to seek more details. Feedback sentiment gauges user reactions, thumbs up or eye rolls. Use these insights to tailor your release notes content, optimize formats, and time your communications right. Keep iterating. Make your release notes a living document. Check out Automated Release Notes and Reports app for Jira to find out more.